The tax preparation industry is a $14 billion market. And unlike most industries, it has some unique advantages that make it one of the best businesses you can start today. Here are 8 reasons why you should be joining the tax industry. First, it's completely recession-proof. Whether the economy is booming or crashing, people still have to file their taxes. In good times and bad times, tax season happens every single year like clockwork. You can't say that about most businesses. Second, the demand is massive. 164 million Americans file tax returns every year. Yes, some people use TurboTax or do it themselves. But tens of millions of people still seek out qualified professionals because they want accuracy, they want to maximize their refunds, and they don't want to deal with the stress and complexity. Third, it's incredibly lucrative. Tax preparers routinely earn $50,000 to $100,000 or more in just 60 to 90 days during tax season. That's a full-time income in a quarter of the year. What would you do with the other 9 months? Travel? Spend time with family? Start another business? The possibilities are endless. Fourth, the barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need a college degree. You don't need years of experience. You don't need tens of thousands of dollars in startup capital. With proper training and certification, you can be preparing in no time. Try doing that with most professions. Fifth, it's completely remote. You can work from your home, a coffee shop, or a beach in Mexico. You can serve clients across the entire nation, not just in your local area. And as you grow, you can scale by hiring other preparers to work with you, creating passive income while you focus on growth. Sixth, compared to most businesses, the startup costs are minimal. Franchises can cost $50,000 to $500,000. Most small businesses need $10,000 to $50,000 in capital. But a tax preparation business? You can start for under $1,000. In some cases, no money out of pocket. Low risk, high reward. Seventh, your clients come back year after year. This isn't a one-time sale. Once you do someone's taxes and they're happy with your service, they can become a client for life. And they refer their friends and family. Your business compounds every single season. And eighth, once you master basic tax preparation, you can expand into multiple high-value services. Tax planning for business owners. Tax debt resolution for people who owe the IRS. Business tax returns that paid $2,000 to $5,000 each. Bookkeeping and accounting services year-round. Audit representation. The tax industry isn't just one thing. It's a gateway to multiple streams of income. And here's something people don't talk about enough. You actually help people. You're putting money back in their pockets. You're reducing their stress. You're protecting them from IRS penalties. You're educating them about finances. This isn't just a business, it's a service that genuinely improves people's lives. So let's recap. The tax industry is recession-proof, has massive built-in demand, generates full-time income in part-time hours, requires no college degree, can be done from anywhere, has minimal startup costs, creates recurring revenue, offers multiple expansion opportunities, and allows you to make a real difference in people's lives. If you're willing to invest the time to learn and the effort to build, the tax industry can provide you with financial freedom, time freedom, and a business that serves you instead of you serving a business. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. They'll say, "That sounds good," and go back to their 9 to 5, living paycheck to paycheck, wishing things were different. But a few people, the smart ones, the action takers, will recognize this opportunity for what it is: a proven, legitimate path to building real wealth and freedom. The question is, which type of person are you? If you're ready to explore the tax industry and learn how to get started, Even with zero experience, move on to the next video, Why Prosperity Tax Solutions. The next tax season starts soon. The time to prepare is now. Don't let another year pass you by.